Here's everything we ate at Traohe Night Market. If you're planning a food trip in Taiwan, make sure to not skip this one. Our first stop was the famous Fuzu Black Pepper Bun, a Michelin Bib Gourmand food stall located right at the entrance. Cooked in a clay pot, it's crispy, juicy, and peppery. It was really delicious, reminded me of our fried siopaw back in the Philippines. I'd rate it a solid 10 out of 10. We got thirsty afterwards, so we grabbed some fruit drinks from Ding Ding Fresh Juice. Honestly, it didn't have much flavor, but I still finished it because I was really thirsty. For me, it's 6 out of 10. Next, we tried the garlic sausage from another stall. It looked so appetizing and it didn't disappoint. It tasted just like Chinese sausages usually mixed in fried rice. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. Then we came across Yujanshin, which sells different kinds of pastries, though the only one I recognized was their mooncake. The best part? It was air-conditioned inside, so we stayed for a bit to cool down. So after that, we wandered around some more and found a Doroyaki stall, pancake-like buns with various fillings. We ordered 6 pieces and assorted flavors, but unfortunately, I didn't really enjoy the taste. My friends said that the chocolate one was good. Maybe you like it more than I did. Personally, I rate it 6.5 out of 10. There are still so many food stalls to explore at Traohe Night Market, but we were already full. Make sure to try other Michelin-approved dishes too. They're definitely worth it. For sure we'll be coming back soon.